Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's come and join us here and stay tuned in this channel. Today we are going to show you the special thing that we never show you how to make it. Let's prepare the balloon. Here we need more than one pieces of balloon, so you can prepare it one by one. This is the first one we make with a double side of a small bubble, and after that we make a finger bubble. Okay, like you see, you can make the same thing. And now let's use different colors. We use it together in at once. So you tie that. This part you can use any color you have over there. So we tie them together and then we start twisting with a loop twist. So we make it around 4 fingers loop twisting. Okay, so here we make it for 6 pieces of a loop twist. So which is 2 colors. We make it 3 pieces each color. Okay, and for the rest of the balloon, we discard and don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Make it tidy by cutting that balloon. Alright, and now get the first balloon that we have done for the head part. This one we twist that, check the size of the neck and then twist that in between the loop twisting. Make sure that will be on the middle, on the center of the loop twisting. Okay, like this. Yeah, and for the rest of the balloon, we discard that. Don't forget to tie it to lock the twisting. Okay, get the next balloon. Use the white color. So we tie that under the loop twisting. Then now we start twist. Take some size around maybe 12 fingers bubble. Yeah, this is for the loop twisting. We make it around 8 fingers bubble. Make it 2 pieces. Still with the white color, we get with a new balloon. Okay. And that's one we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. Before we discard, take some size around 4 fingers. Like you see over here, you can make it the same thing. Okay, let's get to the long balloon. Take some size and twist that, and then again we make a finger bubble. The finger bubble we make it for double side. The size that's 3 to 4 fingers. So make it in 2 pieces. Okay. And for the rest, we twist that under the loop twisting, which is use the purple. So that's a triangle shape. And in the middle of the triangle, we insert 1 piece of a small balloon. We inflate that, so you can imagine that it's like the stomach. About the balloon, you can use the small balloon that in 5 inch. Okay, for the rest of that balloon, we discard. And don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, this is it. I hope you get the same thing over there. You can adjust for the position. Yeah. And now we preparing for the eyes. So this is still the small balloon, but we inflate that just enough for the eyes. Yeah. After that, we twist that to be two pieces of small balloon, small bubble, and one of that we insert in between the finger bubble. Here the black color, we just need a small balloon, small bubble. The small bubble here is around 1 finger, and after that we tight and the nozzles, and now we twist that on the end of the finger bubble. Yeah. All right. So far, after you see the shape, do you know what is this? Yeah, this is a sea lion. So a little bit cute, a bit cute and more colorful here. Okay, on the top of the mouth, on the top of that, we twist a red color with the small balloon. And for finishing, we can mark for the eyes. You just make it bold. So, like, what is your imagination? You can go ahead to make it. Okay, we finished that. We completely done for the sea lion. Then I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget, please support my channel. Click the thumbs up under the video and subscribe my channel. Maybe you can share this channel to get more support for my channel. So thank you to join us. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you again with the next video. So this is the sea lion. Use the balloon twist, and you can use that to be your toys, with your brother, your sister, or maybe your friends. So enjoy your time. We'll see you again, and bye bye.